Hi everyone, I hope every one of you are doing well at your places and loving whatever you are doing. So, I'm back and I was actually planning to make this video like kafi pehle, like just after my JEE mains January attempt. I had it in my mind, but then I got so caught up with tests and everything that like literally the very next day after my JEE paper, I had a major test. Like then another, and it just went on and I'm still giving tests and almost regularly. So somewhere in between all that, I just vanished or something. Yesterday, someone commented asking if I'm going to make that video or not, a January attempt video, and that's when I realized, oh, I almost disappeared. So yeah, here I am. I'll talk about the January attempt and how it went. It will be pretty like it will be very simple, sober, and won't take much time of yours. And I'm like honestly putting this here just for my record. Lol. Um. So I'll start. About the exam. I already knew I haven't been very serious about JEE since the last month, right? I was okay with the fact that nothing magical is going to happen because of the mocks had already shown me that because of the mocks I really didn't want to solve questions anymore and stuffs like that, and I really just didn't want to. Although I just love doing PCM and I love those subjects, I love studying for the subjects as subjects only, not for any exam or something. Anyways, I'll come back to that point about that day. Like for a person like me who's so chill about everything about who was so chill about this thing, at least I felt this weirdness in my body. I don't know how to explain it. Also I had this second shift, 24th second shift, so need I need thi. I woke up early. I was just walking around thinking of nothing. I was blank, completely blank. Like when you have something like this to do, time वैसे भी नहीं निकलता है. So yeah, I was really blank, and then I just went to the center, and honestly, it was nice, very nice. And I saw a lot of people who felt familiar. I couldn't identify names or anything, but they probably recognized me because they waved, or yeah. I reached the center very early. We had almost 40 minutes before the exam. I was in front of my computer before 40 minutes. So I just slept. I was chill at that point too. And then when the paper started, yeah, then the paper actually started, and I realized I could actually solve a few things more than what I expected from myself. P.S. I expected way worse. Okay. I attempted only a few questions, uh, marked some random answers too. Overall, it wasn't like okay-ish attempt. If those random ones turn out correct, I might get more than what I expected. And I'm not going to check answer keys or score sheets, okay? I don't want to. I really don't. After the paper, I came out. My father was already there, and honestly, I couldn't think of anything. At that point, I was again blank. But one thing I noticed, this was the only paper where I didn't feel bored for 3 hours. In mocks, I could never sit for the full paper. I'm literally telling you, I would get bored, distracted, tired, or something. But this time, for all 3 hours, I was actually trying because somewhere I felt like maybe I can do something, or maybe, yeah. Um and then we just came back home. I was blank again, yeah. But I already had a list in my head of what to do next, and tests, syllabus, boards, and that is the only thing that we have in front of us right now, right? So, at this point at least, I didn't waste the day because, like, not because I was super motivated or something, but because I knew that I haven't done बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत that I need a break. Right. I couldn't even say that I need a break. About what? Why do I need a break? No. So yeah, that was that day. Simple. Um, that day was this simple. Yeah. Now coming to the present. It's like 31st of January. Now on 18th February, we have our physical education paper. Around 15 days left. I'll just consider that. Physics and maths are going to be tough. Like, let's be honest, I'm not prepared for the tough paper or anything like that. I'm prepared for the paper or something, but tough paper, no. I'm not prepared for that. But I've started waking up early. Let me tell you, I've started waking up early. I'm doing things regularly now, both related stuffs mostly. Because honestly, like that's all what we have in front of us right now. Yeah. Uh, so yeah, I'm doing things. I have to do things because I have tests on regular basis, people. So I yeah. That's all the updates I have at this point. Nothing very interesting is happening in my life this month, and it's pretty plain, a lot plain. But if you want to talk about something or want to know something, just text it. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to talk, and that's all what I had in my mind, and that's it for this video. Thank you for listening.